Well, Pfizer is asking the FDA for emergency use authorization for its experimental antiviral pill to treat COVID-19. In a clinical trial, it showed an 89% reduction in the risk of hospitalization or death in patients with mild to moderate COVID-19. The new pill has to be administered within the first 3 days of COVID symptoms in order for it to be effective. Governor Holcomb says he's looking at ways to end the COVID-19 public health emergency. Our Madison Stacy explains what he wants from lawmakers before he'll consider calling it off.
In order to lift the public health emergency, Governor Holcomb wants state lawmakers to approve 3 changes. One would let Hoosiers continue to get federal matching funds for Medicaid. Another would continue enhanced food assistance benefits. And the last would extend the ability to efficiently vaccinate 5 to 11-year-olds. That executive order has been renewed 20 times since it was put in place back in March of 2020. And over the months have included a mask mandate, school guidance, and other pandemic necessities. Holcomb said he's working with Senate President Pro Tempore Roderick Bray and Indiana House Speaker Todd Houston to pass his requested changes. No details have yet been finalized, but we have more on the most recent executive order at WTHR.com.
Well, Indiana Attorney General Todd Rokita has filed a 3rd lawsuit opposing another of President Biden's federal COVID-19 vaccine mandates. This latest suit is aimed at a rule requiring the vaccination of all healthcare workers at facilities participating in Medicare or Medicaid. It doesn't allow those workers to get tested weekly like the mandate for private companies with 100 or more workers. Well, there's a push by Pfizer to make their COVID booster shot available to any adult who wants one. The FDA is considering the company's request to amend its emergency use authorization. If the FDA greenlights the change, the next step would require the CDC director to sign off on that plan. A spokesperson for the CDC says it'll meet Friday to discuss expanding that booster eligibility. Some states and cities with COVID-19 cases on the rise have already opened up booster shots to vaccinated adults.